Hey brothers and sisters from the StarkNet family, this is Nurstar from Star Galaxy and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to deal with the zkLend Testnet, specifically for their Artemis product. In fact, first of all, I would like to give a short introduction about zkLend and their products. zkLend is a lending protocol and market maker that has been building on StarkNet, and they are working on two products. The first product is called Artemis, which is a DeFi product that is being built specifically for DeFi users. Meanwhile, the Apollo protocol is another product which is being customized and personalized for institutional clients in order to start onboarding institutional operators into DeFi through the power of StarkNet. Having said that, let's move to the real tutorial. I need to say that this is a whitelisted testnet, so the whitelisted testnet version. The testnet is not available for everybody yet, but it's going to be I hope in the following days or weeks. And I would like to thank the zkLend team for letting me be whitelisted to their testnet, to this testnet, so that I can try this protocol out as one of the first users. Really grateful for that. Thank you. So let's start logging into the protocol through our wallet. I've already done that. And you need to connect your wallet on the upper right side here. And then we go to the dashboard and we start supplying some ETH. So let's say we would like to, we only have $10 of testnet value through testnet Ethereum. And let's say we'll supply half of it, so we'll have to approve the transaction and wait for it to get through. And now we can see our supply position on the dashboard. You can see here that I deposited the equivalent of $4.51, and we are going to generate to earn an APY of 0.16%. After that, we can try the borrowing feature out. We go back to the market dashboard and we click on borrow. Let's say that we click on the maximum amount that we can borrow. And okay. And we approve the transaction. Okay, we wait for the transaction to get through. Then we check our borrowing position on the dashboard. You can see here on the right side your borrow balance. So my borrow balance is $3.64 and the interest rate is 1.32%. And that's all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. I must say that I'm really satisfied with the UI and UX of the website, of the protocol. The team from zkLend really did a great job, and I really look forward to the official testnet and mainnet, because I really think that zkLend is going to play a crucial role in bringing mass adoption to DeFi through the power and the scalability of the StarkNet scaling solution. Having said that, guys, thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Love and L2. Bye.